Welcome back, folks. Today we're going to look at pretty links, how to make your links in an email look much nicer. So if you had a link and you said, these are my pictures, and you wanted to link someone to it, a lot of people just put a colon and put the link. But that looks a little bit ugly. I'm going to show you a way to make it much nicer. So instead of putting the link in the text of the email, highlight the word that you want to become a link. Then go down here to the bottom bar, insert link. It looks like a chain link. That's how you can remember it. Click there, and right here, what URL should this go to? That's where you put that link. So now it becomes a clickable link. When they click it, they'll have a chance to go right where you wanted them to go. Here's how I use it. So I have a template for students after I finish a class with them for my virtual feedback, and then it populates with this sample text, and right there where that video link is, I put it right there, and students can click that and quickly go to the link for the video to watch their class. So that was Pretty Links. I hope that's useful for you. See you next time.